Today I am going to teach future tense. Simple future tense. What is future tense means? It describes an action that will happen at some point in the future. An action that will happen at some point in the future. We'll see the rules. We'll see the rules. Future tense. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, names. We have tried in positive sentence. Subject plus will plus V1. V1 means what? Present tense. Okay, base form. Present tense. In negative sentence, in negative, subject plus, here will and shall also can write. Will or shall plus V1 means present tense. Subject plus won't or will not. Won't or will not. Plus present tense. That is base form of the verb. We can say V1 also, or base form of the verb, or present tense we can say. Okay. Subject plus will or shall plus V1, base form of the verb. That is present tense. Subject plus negative sentence, subject plus won't or will not plus present tense. We will see few examples. The train will arrive, will verb plus this one, will arrive in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The train will arrive in 10 minutes. See here, will arrive. Will, we can find out easily, this is future tense. Will comes, we know, future tense. Train, the train will arrive. Arrive only here what? Present tense, that is V1. Train will arrive in 10 minutes. Suppose this one in negative sentence, how suppose train didn't come, didn't arrive, means how we will say the train won't. The train won't. Will becomes will arrive, will become won't arrive. Arrive in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Won't arrive in 10 minutes. Next one. It will rain today. It will rain today. Will rain. Easily we can find out future tense means will come, and we should know that base form of the verb or present tense we have to write. Will rain. Rain only here. Verb. Okay. In past, in the negative sentence, how we have to say it. If you have to say in negative, it won't rain. It won't rain today. It won't rain today. We'll see the next sentence. I will go to the store tomorrow. I will go to the store tomorrow. I will go. If you want to go to a shop or store means you can say in future tense. You have to say I will go to the store tomorrow. Suppose if you are not going to the store, how you have to say I won't. I won't. Same only. Go to the store tomorrow. Tomorrow I won't go to shop. I will say like that. So in future tense we have to say won't. Negative means we have to say won't. I won't. This is positive sentence. This is negative sentence. So which one is here verb? Go is the verb. I will run 10 miles. 10 miles. I will run 10 miles. I will run 10 miles. Run. Here run, ran, run. So present tense is run. Past tense is ran. I will run. Will comes easily, you can find out this is future tense. Okay. I will run 10 miles. This is here. You have to write run. If you want to say in negative sentence, I won't run 10 miles. That's all. I won't run 10 miles. Okay. I won't run 10 miles. Here you should know that this is positive sentence, this is negative sentence. Here will plus V1, that is present tense. Here won't run. This is negative sentence. Next one. She will sing a song. Okay. My father will go to London. My father will go to London. He will My father will go to London. He will clean the house. He will clean the house tomorrow. Or she will clean the house tomorrow. Anything can say. Here also, he will also can say, or she will say, they will say. You can say anything, okay? She will clean the house tomorrow, or he will clean the house tomorrow, or they will clean the house tomorrow. Subject will vary according to that, okay, sentence. What you are going to convey that sentence only. But this thing you should know. In future tense, we have to say will. Which verb you have to use, you should know that, okay? Clean means you have to say clean. Will clean. Here will go. Here will sing. She will sing. He will sing. They will sing a song. We will sing a song. Can say. But you should know which verb should use there. Okay. Here also go. Here clean. Here you should say clean. Okay. She will clean the house tomorrow. So in future she is going to do that work, okay? She will clean the house tomorrow. Suppose in negative sentence we have to say means she won't sing a song. She won't sing a song. Here my father won't go to London. She won't clean the house tomorrow. Now she said she will clean the house tomorrow. In negative sentence if you want to say she won't clean the house tomorrow. Next one. He will attend the conference. He will attend the conference in London. I'm teaching more like this words, okay? And there is verb. So you can, if you see my videos, you can follow. If you follow my videos, you can learn more words like this, verbs, okay? Regular also, irregular verbs also, you can learn. I will, so only I am giving more examples. I will, he will attend the conference in London. Will attend. Here is verb is which one? Attend. What you have to say? You should know that. Okay, attend. He will attend the conference in London. They will stay in the hotel for long. So they will stay. They will stay. Here which one? Stay. And next, we will support each other. We will support each other. And which one is verb here? Support. Yeah. So I'm giving more different words. Okay. Support. First you have to write subject, and future tense means will, and you should know what you are going to convey, the message, that is that verb should be important. Okay. Next one, Kiran will buy new house next year. Will buy a new house next year. He will buy a car next year. He will buy a shirt. A new shirt also can say a shirt. A new shirt tomorrow. A new shirt tomorrow. See here, will buy. So we can, if you know which one you have to convey, what you have to convey, the message, very important. In that, which verb we should use, that you should know that. Okay. So that I have given more examples with the by itself. Kiran will buy means future tense. Will buy a new house next year. Kiran will buy, he will buy a car next year. He will buy a new shirt tomorrow. So suppose if it is in negative, you know, here we have to write won't. That's all. But you should know, very important is verb. If you know the verb, we can convey the message easily, and which tense you have to know. If you want to say in future tense, you have to say will. Okay, will buy. Suppose in negative, won't buy. Thank you.